We've made a number of upgrades to our Colorado here. The Lasfit high and low beams are just phenomenal. We were so impressed with those. We added the amber turning indicators here and also the white backup lights. Now these things are intense. One of the most important parts of the installation is aiming the lights. Make sure that they're kept low. They have a very nice flat beam, a very distinctive line. You want to make sure that is low so that it's not in the eyes of oncoming traffic. Now, we've been really happy with the performance of our Lasfit lighting. However, we returned from a long journey across the United States and noticed that the light for the turning indicator on the passenger side had developed a severe flicker. It just wasn't working properly. I knew that this particular bulb was outside of warranty, which is 1 year. I went ahead and contacted customer service anyway, and they emailed me right back, and they sent out free of charge a brand new replacement set. I've unpackaged our new bulbs here. They do have polarity. So if you don't get them plugged in right the first time, there's no worries. You just simply give them a 180 and plug them back in. So now we can just turn on the vehicle. There we go. And it just simply goes back in. For this vehicle, it's a simple twist and it's locked in place. We'll check it one more time. There we go. It's a nice amber light. If you're driving around a campground, you can use these lights to pull in without disturbing fellow campers. We just completed about 8,000 miles on a road trip, pulling a small off-road teardrop trailer around the United States. I can say that these headlights, especially in wildlife areas, in the dark or in poor weather, lighting is essential. The high and low beams, those are key. Anyway, this is just great customer service. It's a very nice product. I want to say that I have no affiliation with Lasfit. You can look at my YouTube channel. You can look at my comments and forums throughout the internet. I'm just trying to let people know my experience. That's what this video is about, the product and their customer service.